Hello coders, welcome back to my channel Lazy Coder. Today we will see event management system project. In this project I have implemented multiple features. Okay, like this is the dashboard of admin where admin can see all the events that is currently active. If we go to the bookings, like admin can see all the bookings, like this is the graph. Through graph booking category they can see, yeah, like QR based ticket system is there. So if we click here like in the invoice, okay, it will show you the QR code, right? Scan to enter with the correct maps, right? Like if you like user can see the correct maps. So okay, and a organizer there. So there are three roles. So admin is there, organizer is there, and the attendee is there. So we will see it one by one. Okay, so if we go to the inbox, so inbox is also there, so that if there is any query related to the tickets or the location or anything, so that the attendee can message to the organizer or the admin. So we will see it in the details. So if we click on the calendar, like events is also there. So from here the admin can add the create the any kind of events. Okay, if we click on the calendar here, so calendars are there, like gallery is there. So there are lots of features which is there in this project. So in this project I have documented everything, like the data flow diagram, the year diagram. So here you can see that the attendee can book the tickets, right? Organizer can manage the events, admin can manage the accounts. So likewise we have the all the ER diagram, database diagrams are there, like so use case diagram is there. So like I have prepared the full project. So before proceeding to this event management system project, let's go to my channel. Okay, so in this channel I have uploaded multiple projects like doctor appointment booking system, a school management system, hospital management, like complete POS system, hostel management, so queue management. There are lots of projects I have uploaded here, so you can check this out on my channel. And please subscribe to the Lazy Coder so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. So yeah, it's free, right? So yeah, please subscribe it so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. So let's go to the event management system project. Okay, so currently I have logged in through my uh, admin accounts. Okay, so here if you on the dashboard, if you see the upcoming events is 10 and total booking is showing here, total tickets are sold is showing here. In the right hand side, upcoming events is showing here with the calendar. Okay, so if we click on the any dates, so it will redirect me to the calendar. Okay, and all the events is active events is showing here. If we go to the users, okay, so user like admin can approve the organizer like, or can add the users also from here. Okay, so like fill all those details and so that the organizer or attendee can log in. So okay, so I will log in with this attendee, like the sing 9 letter. Okay, and if we go to the see the organizer, who is the organizer, so let me go there. Okay, so Priya organizer is there. So okay, I will log in with that Priya organizer, and then we will see. These all are the just dummy data, it's not a correct one. Okay, so from here admin can manage all the users, like they can approve any accounts or like revoke the access of any organizer or something. Okay, so in the booking section, if we see admin can see the bookings according to the category, like how much ticket is sold, total earnings is there, right? And a booking overview. So on the Wednesday, how much sale got, through graph it can be, it's easy to visualize, right? So if we click on the e-vouchers, okay, so the tickets can be seen here, so that you will know that, yeah, suppose attendee lost the ticket, so like from admin can check from by their name. Okay, so this is about the bookings. If we click on the invoices, so all the invoices will be shown from here. Okay, and if we click on the inbox, so I can message to anyone, like suppose I want to message the Priya organizer, right? So that we can check Priya organizer, right? Priya, correct. Okay, so suppose English, suppose I'm giving anything like ABC XYZ something, so that we will know. Okay, you can reply in it anything also. Okay, so this is about the messaging. Okay, so like one more thing is there, like attendee can message to organizer or the event, like event admin. Okay, but admin and organizer can talk to any person, like any attendee. Okay, like one attendee cannot do message to another attendee. So this is the basic features. If we go to the calendar here, so if we click on the this date, okay, so below the calendar you will see the that day details, like this is the events that is coming next. Okay, okay, if we click on the events, so that it will list all the events, okay, which is active or which is already done, right? So that from here there you can see it. If you from here you can create the like any events. Okay, if we click here, so you have to give the titles, tagline, category is there. Okay, if we click the, you can add the category as well. Okay, so these are the category, like education is there, gaming is there, right? And the venue. Okay, so you can select any other venue also, or if you do not have the venue, you can just provide the like latitude and longitude. Okay, so that you can find it from the Google map also, and you can just paste it, so that the map will show the exact location of the event. And the ticket types, okay, like add more, like name of the tickets, right? Like a golden ticket is there, right? Golden ticket, you can say premium ticket is a deluxe ticket. So likewise you can give the name, price, quantity, max order for per one person, right? So description, like, so that you can add that this ticket will sit to the next to the like first row, right? Likewise you can describe it, or you can add the another ticket type also, and the total capacity. Okay, so likewise you can add the event. So this is the main part, you can say. And if we go to the financial section, so that from there you can see the like all the graphs and like charts and everything. Okay, so here if we see like expense is $105, okay, and this is the income. Okay, and this is the balance is there. Here you can see the expense and the income. Okay, so likewise you can see all those details is there. These are all the just a fake data, it's not a correct one, but yeah, you can add the real one. And the gallery is there, so from here all the shows images can be seen here. Okay, if we click on the feedback, like feedback can be seen from here, like Arab Sharma, one of the best events. So like this can be added by the attendee. Okay, so I will log so settings, yeah, basic features is there, like you can, like admin can change their name, email and everything. Okay, and from here like manage the users, Django is also there, so there from there you can check it out. Okay, so I will log out as a you can say the admin account. Okay, and now I will log so this is the home page and about us and login, right? And there is a sign up page also there. So from sign up, what will happen? First sign up, attendee will just create the account and just like login, right? But if someone wants to join as a organizer, right, so first their accounts needs to be created and approved by admin, then only the organizer can log in. Okay, so this is behind the organizer logic. If we go to the organizer, okay, no, let's log in as a user. Okay, so yeah, I have logged in as a attendee account. Okay, so this is the thing. And if we click on the my account, So from the what attendee will see in the explore section, all the like events, how much ticket is sold, right, percentage wise, what's the price, right, what's the location, from what date to at what time, right, whether it's arts and culture, like category wise all the events are showing here, right. And if we go to the my tickets, so that from here, like they can see the tickets also. If we click here, like the QR code will be shown here, the tickets. Okay, if we go to the my bookings, okay, so let's click there, and you can click view the e-vouchers of that tickets. You can cancel the ticket also. So suppose if you want to cancel, so we will just click on the cancel booking. Okay, like all the terms and conditions are like it's saying that it's non-refundable, right. So but the organizer can write any terms and conditions. So if we want to click on the cancel, so we can cancel it also. Okay, we can mark the any events as a favorite one, so you can see here. Okay, so that one you can see that booking, this one is cancelled. Okay, so that is cancelled. Okay, if we can mark any events as a saved events. Okay, so that you can book it later. And inbox is there, so that the attendee can talk to admin. So if we click on the plus sign and go to the two receipts, okay, only just organizer and admin is showing here. So I will message the Priya Sharma only. So I am attendee, please subscribe to lazy coder. Okay, so let's send a message. So you can see that I am attendee, please subscribe to lazy coder. From here profile sections is there, so that they can edit the profile, like update the you can say the profile picture, name and everything. So let's log out from the attendee account and log in as a organizer. Okay, so okay, one second. Priya organizer password. So these are the just dummy data, so it's not a correct one. Okay, so if we see the like the dashboard is also there for the organizer. Okay, so that the total sales and upcoming events can be seen from here. And let's see first the message. Okay, so that we will know that whether it's working or not. So if we click on the inbox, you can see that the message is coming, right. So what I will show here reply, I will just reply that sure I will subscribe. Okay, so I will just click on the send message. So you can see that I have already sent, right. And if we go to the inbox again, you can see that this message also came, right, because admin have sent a message, this one just now we sent it. So message is working fine. And like organizer can also send a message back to any other attendee. Okay, okay, any other attendee or the organizer also. But this option was not coming for the attendee, like attendee can only message to the admin and organizer. So if we go to the calendar, so same functionality is there, like he or she can see the all the events that is coming next. Okay, gallery is there, financial section is there. Okay, so let me click on this. So you can see that all the sales revenue, cash flow, total expense, income, balance, everything is showing here. So organizer can also see the like tickets, and on the tickets QR code and everything is showing clearly. Okay, and maps is also working fine. Okay, and yeah, so almost we have covered everything. So feedback section is also there, so that attendee can mark any event with a good or bad feedbacks, right. So yeah, this is about the like event management system. Yeah, I know that multiple things can be integrated, like razor pay. Okay, so I have not shown you the how to book the tickets, right. So let's see that first. Okay, okay, one second. Currently I have just like added the dummy payment system, but I know that real payment can be integrated, so that it will be good, right? It will be complete end-to-end functionality. Okay, so let's log in as a Diya Singh again. Okay, so let's go to the my account again and go to the inbox. Okay, so that we will see whether that you can see that see or I will subscribe message is coming here, right? So now I will go to the any event and I will book the tickets. Okay, so let's click on the explore. Okay, and select this is all the past, right? So this is the active, right? So what I will do that I will click on the to book this events, right? What I will do that I will just click on the, you can see that the ticket types is early bird, general, VIP is coming here, right? And you can provide your ratings also here, like get ticket. I will just click on the checkout and we will just the ticket count. Okay, so whenever we are increasing or decreasing, you can see that the prices are increasing and decreasing. I will just mark the name, give the name. These are the just dummy data. We can select anything, any payment details. Okay, these are the just dummy data, it's not a correct one. Yeah, I know that real integration can be done, but for now I have just integrated the dummy one. So I will just click on the pay and get tickets. So whenever we clicked, so that you can see that booking confirmed, right? And view e-vouchers, so we can see the tickets also. Okay, so seat number and everything is showing here, like get ticket category, when it is scheduled, right? So event schedule, like get opens whenever get will open, so all the terms and conditions. So right, so I have explained all the features of this project. I know that multiple things can be integrated. Yeah, so for now this is it. Okay, so thank you so much. Please subscribe to the Lazy Coder so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Yeah, I have uploaded multiple projects, you can check this out on my channel. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much.